I will tell you 5 VS Code extensions every developer must know about. First up, we have Prettier, the ultimate code formatter. This extension automatically formats your code as you type, keeping everything neat and clean. Whether it's for JavaScript, Python, or C++, Prettier makes sure your code follows a consistent style with just one click or autosave. Next is rainbow brackets. If you're working with lots of nested brackets, this extension will save you time. It colors matching brackets, making it super easy to identify them at a glance. If you're building a web app, Live Server is a must. It lets you run your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the browser with Live Reload. Every time you save a file, it automatically refreshes the browser so you can see the changes in real time. For all you Git users, GitLens is an amazing extension that adds rich Git insights directly into VS Code. You can easily see who made changes to a file, track commits, and even view the commit history of any line of code, all within the editor. Last but not least, we have Path Intellisense. This extension gives you auto-completion for file paths, making it easier to link resources in your project. No more manual typing or worrying about typos. And here's a fun bonus extension for those who like to mix humor with coding. In Your Face. This quirky extension takes the stress out of coding errors by turning them into faces. Every time you have an error in your code, In Your Face will create a new face on your screen based on the number of errors. The more errors you have, the more exaggerated and expressive the face becomes. It's perfect for those moments when you're debugging and you need a little lighthearted distraction to ease the pain of seeing all those red squiggles. That's it for today's video on VS Code extensions. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and let me know which extension you're trying out.